Managing personal finances can feel overwhelming at times, but open source tools like Firefly 3 make it far simpler to track where your money is going and how your spending habits evolve over time. Firefly 3 is a self-hosted personal finance manager designed to give you full control over your data, while offering a clean, modern interface for budgeting, expense tracking, and even managing multiple accounts. Because it's open source, you're not locked into a particular company's ecosystem, and you can customize it to suit your own needs, while ensuring your sensitive financial data stays on your own server instead of someone else's. Setting up Firefly 3 begins by installing it on a web server or using a Docker container, which the developers provide as a straightforward option. Once it's running, you log into the dashboard and can immediately start importing transactions manually or automatically from your bank accounts. The software supports recurring transactions, tags, and categories, allowing you to break down your spending in a way that makes sense for you. This means you can see at a glance how much you're spending on essentials like rent, groceries, or utilities, compared to entertainment or savings goals, which is particularly useful for building healthier money habits over time. Firefly 3 also offers powerful reporting features. You can generate graphs and charts that illustrate your spending trends, income over time, and budget adherence. These visuals make it much easier to spot areas where you might be overspending and identify opportunities to save. For example, you could set a monthly budget for dining out and immediately see whether you've gone over your limit by mid-month. Since the system is highly customizable, you can add custom fields, choose different currencies, and even run it for small business finances or household budgeting. Another benefit is that because Firefly 3 is self-hosted, you can integrate it with other tools. There are APIs and community plugins available, which allow for automation such as syncing with budgeting spreadsheets or exporting data into different formats for tax preparation. The project's active community also means regular updates, support from other users, and documentation to help you make the most of it. By blending ease of use with strong privacy and customization, Firefly 3 stands out as a robust solution for anyone serious about managing their money. Once you've experienced the clarity it brings to your finances, it becomes easier to plan ahead, make informed choices, and stay on track toward your goals without sacrificing control over your own data.